Oh, hello there.
Hello.
Hold on.
What's going on, guys? Here I want to show you where how I'm gonna relocate my turbo. Right now I got it underneath the truck, so move it up top. Might flip the S10 headers over, run them underneath here, make a crossover to the other side, and then I'll put the other turbo on, or the other header on this side, and we'll see how it comes out. Alright, here I took the passenger side, tried out on the driver's side. It looks like it'll work alright. Here I cut the headers so I can put a V-band on it. Alright, got the driver's side bolted up. Looks like it'll work. Got the crossover started now. Now I'm working on the crossover, getting it all welded up. It's part of it, so that I can test fit the passenger side header and see where it's gonna line up at. Got the passenger side mounted. Now I can see where I gotta extend it so I can line it up with the crossover. Here's an overhead shot of the crossover. Alright, now I'm gonna start welding up the crossover pipe. Get it all finished up. V-band all cleaned up and ready to go. Get it welded up. Okay, now it's time to test the crossover pipe on it. Attach over here on the passenger side, hook it up to the driver's side. And have an idea where the turbo is. Alright, time to get the headers cleaned up, get them ready to get painted, and put them in the grill and heat treat them. Sanding, sanding, sanding. Just get the crossover ready so I can paint it. Get it all cleaned up, ready to go. Come together. Alright, here I got the header hung up on a tree. Now I'm going to spray with this high temp paint here. Try to get it all covered evenly, and then after it's dried I can get the grill ready.
I don't ever remember having ticks in my life, but I know that's how you can get Lyme disease.
Lyme disease.
Yes.
Look at that.
I don't know what.
There's 3 steps. Gotta cook it for 30
Alright, getting
minutes,
the grill
200,
ready.
then 400, and then all the way up to 600
Gotta get it
degrees.
200 degrees so I can set the header in there
And
and
it'll
cook
be
it for
done.
30 minutes.
Alright, so the alarm's going off. It's been cooking long enough. Go take a look at it real quick. There it is, all painted and cooked. Should be ready to bolt up to the cylinder head.
Alright. First one in.
Alright, here's where I'm going to get that header ready. Get it all bolted up. Go through the finishing touches here. All I gotta do now is bolt it together and fire it up.
Alright, here we go.
Alright, here I go. I'm going to put in the crossover gently without banging the radiator. Get it all attached. Be almost done. Getting ready to put that turbo on it.
Sweet. Loading.
Alright, exciting time. We'll see if it fires up. Got no O2 sensor on it, but we'll see how it runs with the new piping. Fires right up. Alright, well that was it for all the exhaust going to the turbo. Now I gotta get it set up, see how it's gonna look with the turbo on it. So I'll get back with you guys. Thanks for watching.